Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to use the another way of declaring a read-only variables or the constant variables by using the const keyword. Like this, const, then the variable name and the value like this, 3.14. So this const keyword used to declare a variable like p1 and we are slicing a value. The difference between let and const is that the let variable also used for scope conscious variables. Constant is also a scope conscious variable, but in case of let we can change the value, but in case of pi like constant value, if I further want to change this one, so and I run it, so it would not be replaced like this. If I say and I save it and run it, so you will see that the error will come that you cannot change the constant value. So it behave like the let, but you cannot change the value once you initialized. So we just remove it, and if I run it, you will see that it will run fine without any problem. And if I declare function and I declare function like display, and here if I declare one more const variable, the name same name, so it is also possible, no problem at all, and I can also display this value like this, and I call the method like this and save it, and you will see that both the values are running. So it is also under the scope of this method, this function, it will run, and it will run globally outside of the function. Similar to let is also like this, and if I want to declare one more variable of the same type like this, I say const pi here and I say 3.141 whatever I want to give, and I save it and run it, so I will have an error. Same error we have in let also, but if I use the var it would not generate any error, but in case of const it generate error. In case of let it generate error, but in case of var does not generate error. So this facility, this variable declaration options are very good and introduced in ES6 version, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.